Indian roads are tough, but I would say parking in the Indian roads are the most toughest job ever. I know you agree with me. But we have to obey the law, and for that we have to know the law. In this video, we will be discussing about laws regarding parking, the punishments you may get for illegal parking, how to check traffic fines in India, what if I don't pay my fine, and finally the very interesting one, how to escape from paying a fine.
In India, parking is governed by the Motor Vehicles Act 1988, Rules of Road Regulation 1989, and various other state laws as parking comes under the concurrent list.
Section 122 in the Motor Vehicles Act 1988 states that no person in charge of a motor vehicle shall cause the vehicle to cause danger, obstruction, or undue inconvenience to other people. Thus, parking the vehicle in such a way as to hinder someone's movement, parking in a moving road, parking in a footpath, or all offences. Section 15 of the Rules of the Road Regulation 1989 provides that a driver should not park a vehicle in certain places, and those places are provided to you in the screen. Two things can be done to a vehicle violating parking rules. Where any motor vehicle is abandoned or left unattended on a public place for 10 hours or more, or if it is parked in a place where parking is legally prohibited, then the vehicle can be either towed or it can be immobilized by either wheel clamping or any other methods. And this has to be done by a police officer who has jurisdiction and who is in uniform. This is provided in Section 127 of the Motor Vehicles Act. The Motor Vehicles Act is in the concurrent list, that is, both the state and the centre can make the laws regarding it. This is why the fine amount collected in each state differs. The wrongdoer has to pay the fine as well as the towing charges if the vehicle was towed. The traffic fines for your vehicle can be checked via a government website which I have linked in the description. Click the link and type down the challan number or vehicle number and enter the code for CAPTCHA. Click get details and you will get the details of your traffic fine. The fine amount need not be paid at the time of getting caught for violation itself. It can be paid within 60 days of the violation. If you did not pay the fine within 60 days of the violation, then the procedure for collecting the fine from you will differ from each state. But usually the practice is that a traffic police officer will come to your registered home address to collect the fine from you. If no one is at the address, the offender will be summoned to the court to answer for the offence. If the offender fails to show up at the court hearing, then their license will be cancelled or suspended. And if you have not paid your e-challan, you may not be able to transfer the ownership of your vehicle after selling it. Doesn't this idea of escaping from paying a fine sound interesting? But there is a provision for this. Yes, it is totally legal. The fine challan can be cancelled once all the required documents are submitted to the authorities. The fine will be returned and an amount of ₹100 is the only fee paid for the process.
In a recent judgment under Karnataka High Court, the court has mentioned that illegal parking in footways or public streets will amount to violation of fundamental rights under Article 21 of the Indian Constitution. Stay safe and stay healthy. Sincerely, from yours lawfully. Thank you.